Welcome to day 5 of becoming the founder I want to be. Today was all about design. When you're building a brand, design feels so incredibly personal. Everything about it feels like you're putting a piece of yourself out into the world, and you want to make sure that you have the right colors and font and logo and that it resonates with other people as much as it resonates with you. It is exhausting.
Translation. She spent 3 hours disassociating over a hex code because writing actual code was too scary.
A lot of the kind of Figmas and designs that we had initially were very much MVPs, right? So today I spent a lot of time sketching out the onboarding workflow for the app and kind of the primary screens as a user gets through them.
Look at those arrows. She thinks she's designing a user journey. She's actually just drawing a map for her own confusion. It's not UX, it's abstract art.
Typically in a company, you have a designer to do this. You have a product manager to do this, but I'm all of those things. And so I had to do them. I also had to be very ruthless about features, right? This is a part of being able to prioritize, a part of making decisions and being a decisive founder is realizing when things are nice to haves versus must haves. And the reality is you don't have anyone over your shoulder telling you that's the correct choice. You kind of just have to cross your fingers and hope for the best. If it's not essential for our MVP of the app, then it's out, at least for now.
She's quoting a lean startup. How cute. We all know that MVP is just corporate speak for, I don't know how to code that feature yet, so I'm deleting it.
Okay, I literally cannot win with you. I finalized some brand visuals so the UI feels cohesive.
She's trying to find a color palette that says, trust me with your data. Spoiler, that color does not exist. It's mostly just varying shades of desperation blue.
Design sprint, ruthless edits, and hopefully a few wins for future me.
Future you isn't grateful. Future you is currently screaming because now she has to write the Swift for that responsive nav bar.